Hello, world. This is Darin Martineau from Master Magic University, and I wanted to say Merry Christmas. And I'm giving away three magic books for free for a limited time on Amazon. And this is going to be starting tomorrow, Friday, December 19th, 2025, at 12 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So from December 19th to December 23rd. Um, Magic Tricks for the Holidays is a book that was written by myself and my good friend Brian Smedley. And so this is our gift to you. I'll put a link in the description of this video, so link on it. So starting tomorrow and just for 5 days, these three magic books will be for free on Amazon. Second book is Master Magic Guide, which is one of my new books. And then the third book is Magician's Buyer's Guide, which goes over props and books, and it's a great resource for beginners, intermediate, and advanced magicians, especially beginners. So click on the link, and these will be free. I also wanted to mention that if you put in your name and email on my click on the link, you can get my mini magic guide and 14 free video magic tutorials. So that's a lot of free stuff. So it's very generous Christmas gifts for you all, my friends. So thank you very much, and please subscribe to the channel.